being added in unlimited amounts, guys. You can see them for your very self right here. The action is happening and going on. Greetings, YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Your boy today will show you how you can get unlimited keys and unlimited coins in Subway Surfers, which you can get for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple steps, guys, just by clicking on your phone. You know how it gets when you don't have enough of those keys. The coins, of course, also, but the keys are even more important than that. So those grinding days are simply over. Even going to the store section, you can just follow up your boy and resolve it all within a few simple steps. So let's start by having our Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That being said, open up your browser. Doesn't matter which browser you are using. What only matters is to type in yeetweek.com, and right there, guys, we will find the solution for Subway Surfers that we are here for. So let me just select it right there after typing in Subway Surfers, and now enter up your username like that. Tap on that continue button, and then we will be proceeding to the second part of the first step. We will have two steps of this whole process. As mentioned, won't take too long, guys. Now just select the mobile device that you are on. You can also see that a lot of people know about this place and are just going absolutely crazy for those unlimited keys and unlimited coins in Subway Surfers. So now we are finalizing the first step of this whole process. Right next up, we will have one more step, of course, the final one, and you will see it just in a very bit. As we need to get a code by tapping on this button and proceed just by scrolling down to this next page, where we will have two options to complete this process: to either download 3 apps from the official App Store or Google Play Store, and not only download them, but also do a little bit of something in the description. For example, if you want to download, I don't know, Swagbucks, you need to play 2 games for 5 minutes each. Or for Tile Hop, you need to open it up for 30 seconds. So guys, let me download those 3 apps, but you can also complete 3 questionnaires, which will be a faster way for you. That is the second option. So you can choose between those 2. Now your boy will go ahead, download them, and I will be right back. Okay, now we are back, and after downloading TikTok, opening it up for 30 seconds, that is app number 1 completed. For Swagbucks, play 2 games for 5 minutes each, also completed. And for Tile Hops, exactly the same process for TikTok, to open it up for 30 seconds. So let's see now, guys, if we will get the code. Of course that we will get the code. Let's see if it will apply on our game. So right now, let me open it up and see the moment of truth, as we need to see those unlimited keys, or the keys and coins being added in unlimited amounts, guys. You can see them for your very self right here. The action is happening and going on. We will be playing Subway Surfers like never before. Follow up your boy, do each and every step exactly the same. And that is it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.